Horses out, got to Paron. Pass to begin, Epic Flash on the outside, Bold Open. Then followed by Helsinki on the outside, Sagrada, Nevada Scout. Brent Boy and Laban Kisses is the early trailer. Got to Paron, the leader by about 2 lengths. Epic Flash in second, and in third is Lady Open, then followed over down on the inside by Helsinki. On the outside is Nevada Scout, then next in line Sagrada, Brent Boy, and Laban Kisses still racing in last. Got two Paran still in front, Lady Open in second, Epic Flash. Here comes Nevada Scout, now trying to get closer in fourth. Helsinki Pip, then followed by Brent Boy. Got two Paran, Epic Flash, running by the release, Lady Open. Nevada Scout now coming closer in fourth. Helsinki Pip, then followed over by Brent Boy. Now we have Epic Flash by Hapalangar in second is Lady Open. Epic Flash, Lady Open in second. Here comes Nevada Scout. Now trying to get closer in third. And here comes Helsinki. Now coming closer as they come down to the last one. Epic Flash on the outside now is Lady Open, Nevada Scout. Lady Open running by the release, Epic Flash, Lady Open, Epic Flash is fighting back, Epic Flash, Lady Open, Epic Flash. It's now Lady Open, Epic Flash, Epic Flash. Entering the finish line, it's going to be Lady Open, Epic Flash. Then comes Nevada Scout, Brent Boy, 8, Laban Kisses.
Okay, para dito sa ating race number 7, entry number 3, the Gray Horse, Lady Orphan with JL Paano. Yan po ang ating unofficial winner. Masa segundo 5, Epic Flash, 7, Nevada Scout, 4, Brent Boy, at 8, Love and Kisses para sa ating Pentafecta. Balikan natin ang nangyari dito sa replay.